morning everybody, and welcome to the allotment. So I'll bring you in, and what I'll do today is give you a tour, because we haven't got much. See what's growing, see what needs to be picked. So we'll get the camera off the tripod, put it hands free, and then we'll have a walk around, see what's growing, see if there's any stuff ready to be picked. So we'll catch you in a minute. Right, we'll start this end. That's going to come out. Okay, we've got our courgettes here, which we've just opened up to see what there is.
There's one courgette there. There's one there.
Yeah, we've got one growing there. We've had a few picked. That's the kale next to it, and next to that is
Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprouts. So that's grown well. In here, there's cabbages and that.
More kale.
And kale. In here, we'll have broccoli. There's leeks somewhere in there. We've got chard, beetroot, carrots. That's what what's corn on the cob. As you can see, that is massive. So we can get around here. More cabbages. Hopefully they'll get their heads on soon. Around here, lettuces, which need picking. Well, outside tomatoes, which were my experiment, and they seem to be working. This area we're going to be working on, we're going to put an apple tree in here. We're then going to pick the, today is the last day to pick this, the rhubarb, so we're going to get some of that picked. We'll come along here, and that's for pumpkins. That's for pumpkins. You can see some of them are flowering. And sunflowers are grown. We're going to come back around here, and these are our beans, which look ready for picking.
Yeah.
So there's peas down there, but
I think they're gone now.
they haven't done well this year with the peas, but the beans have done okay. More kale in here. So we've got plenty of kale, so anybody who wants any kale, well, and we're going to come into the greenhouse.
One cucumber.
There's a
The cucumber at the back as well.
cucumber down here.
And Robert is this one at the back.
These are strung up, hopefully to grow more. So that's what cucumbers. Over the other side is with tomatoes. Lots of yellow tomatoes at the moment. I mean, green tomatoes at the moment. We're just waiting for them to change colour, but they're doing well. Some nice big ones down there. All right, we'll move back down and we'll go to the shed. Well, to where the grapevine is. It's next door's allotment. Right, this will hopefully this doesn't change very much. No. Okay, in here, more tomatoes. What these don't seem to be doing as well as the other ones. Oh, we've got a few coming on. green still. Up. Guess what? Aren't you lucky? Your first one to see. There's a nice red tomato. So, oh well, I thought they weren't going to do well. Then look at this grapevine. Yeah, I don't know if I can keep it in, but that is doing fantastic. And that's for strawberries, which were dug up. So, but yep, the grapevine is looking fantastic, and I'm kicking over. But so, right, so that's sort of tour. If I've got anything to show later on, I'll come back. We're going to head outside. There's Gillian and Rob, who's working with us. So we're going to come back later and see if there's anything to do. I'll show you. So bye for now. Well, that's another day down allotment. We've picked some, we've harvested some stuff. So I'll do a photograph at home, them on the bench, and show you. So all I say is thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon.
Down the DRD allotment, grafting in the sun, seeds in the soil and the growing's just begun. Greenhouse warm and the bed's all neat. Nothing beats fresh veg you've grown to eat. Dig it, plant it, watch it grow. Bit graft a day, harvest tomorrow. Like, subscribe before ye gan. DRD allotments,